Most property management companies don't have the line of sight that we end up having. So it has allowed us to be able to see things that other people don't see.
There is no other property management company in this state or anywhere that they're going to find to get the service that they need. They're just not. It's not going to happen.
When I came into the business, we were investing in a lot of distressed assets on the south side. We purchased a lot and we started to open up our services to other property clients, other people who owned assets in the area. So when I came into the business, one of the biggest pain points I had was I couldn't tell where a process was at any given time. And so what we did with Podio was build out our workflow so that it was a checklist. We could go in and see any process at any given time and see, okay, well, this is where renewal currently sits. Before that, a lot of times it just sat on a spreadsheet on somebody's desktop.
It was a mess. So many non-saved spreadsheets got screwed up. So we started using Podio, and that was a huge load off. And that productivity helped us just move that much faster to be able to do 50 units a year, buying, rehabbing, refinancing.
I know that most all of our operations run out of Podio. So everything from finance to property management to maintenance, all of our work orders are processed. You know, we have apps just on the work order side that has 110,000 items on it.
They can answer 90% of someone's questions just from having Podio open. There's no hunting and searching and hoping and praying for the information. It all lives there.
We went through this whole AI evolution was we had most of our data in the system. And so it was easy to access. It was easy to pull the data out. We sync our Podio system with SQL. And so now it's very easy to put this AI layer on top of it and get data out very efficiently. So one of the flows that we end up having is as an email comes in, it will review the email, all the previous thread, and we'll process 10 or 20,000 emails a month, inbound, outbound, all of that. Rank it. Is this something that needs immediate attention? You know, what's the sentiment of the email? It ends up escalating issues that before we wouldn't have line of sight because you'd have somebody on the front lines of, oh, I got this, but it's a little bit more complex than that, or the risk on it is significantly higher for them to handle.
A couple of years ago, when I was talking with other property managers of how they did it was so manual. It's like they literally were hiring somebody to come in and basically be the paper pusher for everything that we do electronically through Podio.
We've got apps that have 100 different automations that are tied to it. It would be very difficult to replace what we've built in Podio.
If communication was poor here, this company wouldn't exist. The owners would fire us. The tenants would move out. It is the most critical part of this business.
It's allowed us to retain residents easier, allowed us to retain clients better. It's been a key piece to our success. So we learned a lot. The possibilities, I mean, I hate to be cliche, but they're endless in what you're capable of doing with the product.